Hello, we will present you a video on the pH measurement. First, we will carry out a dilution to the tenth of vinegar. For this, we take 10 ml for vinegar, thanks a 10 ml graduate pipette. Be careful with the gauge line. We then pour the content of the pipette into a 50 ml volumetric flask. To carry out this dilution, the volumetric flask is filled with a distillate water. As the first step, the flask is filled with the pieces bottle, but not filled to the gauge line so that a solution can be mixed. In the second step, put the paraffin on the flask and make a mixture by overturning. In the third step, remove the paraffin and finish filling the flask, always with the distillate water, but this time with the shapered pipette to be much more precise. Be careful the gauge line. In this video, you can see that we are pouring a 50 ml flask entirely into the beaker. We should have taken only 10 ml of the dilution. Now we will calibrate the pH meter. For this purpose, it is necessary first to turn on the pH meter. Then, in the second time, to rinse well the robe of the pH meter with the distillate water and well dry it with a paper. In a third step, immerse the robe in the pH 7 solution and make the calibration on the pH meter. Wait for the screen to display end and rinse the robe again with the distillate water and dry it well. Then immerse the robe in the pH 4 solution and calibrate the pH meter. Wait for the screen display end and rinse the robe always with the distillate water and dry well. After doing the pH meter calibration, it's wrong first empty the burette because we never know what it can contain. In the second time, concentrate the burette is to pour a little welded so that where is only welded and nothing else in the burette. After concentration, fill the burette completely with the welded and set the welded to 0. After installing all the material properly, add about 15 colored pH indicator flowers, wear the thermal blue, and then activate the magnetic stirrer so that the colored pH indicator will mix with the vinegar. After put everything in place, we start pouring the welded 0.5 and 0.5 milliliters. As you could see, the color of the exchange solution not change and the pH increase very little. So we decide to pour the welded 1 milliliters in 1 milliliters, but not change. And this is simply because, as we told you in the medium of video, we have poured all the content of the volumetric flask of 50 milliliters, which deserves the result of this pH measurement. Sorry for her mistake, but this is how to perform the pH measurement. Obviously, do not make the same mistake as hers. Thank you.